So the Hennessey VelociRaptor 600 is one of my favorite vehicles that we sell. Let's talk about it. So at Reddick Brown Ford, we've been carrying the Hennessey product for almost 6 years now. We love their products, we stand behind them. So with our Raptors that we send to Hennessey, we start out with a fully loaded Raptor, moonroof, you've got all the features that you want, active exhaust, everything that comes on the Raptor, we send them that. That's our build, that's what our clients like, so we stick to it. So the first thing you'll notice on the outside, they've got upgraded front and rear bumpers. These bumpers are specifically made for Hennessey, as you'll see the VelociRaptor in the front bumper there. Hennessey loves this bumper, and we do too, because they implement the factory fog light placement. So this bezel that's on the Raptor is used on the VelociRaptor, so it fits perfectly within this aftermarket bumper cutout. It's a high-rise bumper, so you got tons of clearance. You've got a ram push bar for off-road purposes. As I'm editing this, I noticed I didn't talk about the LED light bar. You'll notice that LED light bar in the front bumper. You can turn that on with one of your auxiliary switches. Pretty sick feature. Maintain that factory grille that already looks killer. It's a good look. That also matches the fender flares that are from the factory. Another big thing you're gonna notice is the tires and wheels. So they've got a really awesome wheel. They've got their logo in the center cap. It's a good looking wheel. They used a different wheel before, but this one knocked it out of the park. Tire setup, you're gonna have 35-inch Nittos on this specific truck. They also make it in a 37, and we do have a couple of those on the lot as well. I just chose this one to drive today. I'm sure you noticed in those shots, those big brakes behind the wheels. One thing I love about the VelociRaptor is the brakes. So they take a 6-piston Brembo brake up front only. They don't use the rear Brembo, as it has something to do with the electronic emergency brake. But you've got that 6-piston in the front, helps this thing stop on a dime. When you put those Brembos on there, it's second to none. You've got the VelociRaptor badging on the side of the truck, and that follows all the way to the rear end on the tailgate. Now we've got two versions of the VelociRaptor, one with updated graphics and one with the older graphics. Halfway through the model year, they kind of updated them. People love the old version, so I think us having both is no issue. Speaking of that rear bumper, if you'll see here, we've got two openings for reverse lights or whatever lighting you want to put back there. You can wire those in to your auxiliary switches up here. The Raptor is such a sick platform to begin with. So the interior, the leather is awesome. We've got paddle shifters. These are really nice paddle shifters. You got a super nice steering wheel with that red line. One thing I'll notice about this truck, just going down these back roads, I don't feel like I'm in a 6,000-pound truck. I myself, I love paddle shifters. Sometimes I'll switch into regular and just let it do its thing. So Hennessey's known for making fast cars even faster. Stock, the Raptor has a 3.5 EcoBoost. It pushes around 450 horsepower. They've upgraded the intercooler, exhaust, they've got an intake, and they've got a tune by Hennessey. This is a custom tuned truck, makes roughly 560 horsepower and around 600 foot-pounds of torque. So that kind of gives you an idea of where they get the VelociRaptor 600 from. So a really cool thing about these trucks is they got a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty from Ford and Hennessey. So those work together. Everything Ford's done, they'll cover that. Everything Hennessey's touched, that's also covered. That's a cop. I'm also pretty sure I don't have a plate on this thing. If you want to know more about this truck or any truck in specific, let us know. Give Brock a call at 615-397-3331. You can always visit us 24/7 at reddickbrownford.com. We're posting tons of content on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, everywhere. Of course, you can come see us anytime when we're open. We do ship all across the United States. So if you're far away and you're worried about getting a flight here, we can ship the truck to you, that's no problem. We also ship all the paperwork via FedEx. So we're no stranger to out-of-state deals. Let us know if we can help. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next week.